and welcome to Delightful, Delicious, Delovely. My name is Christine Elise, and today I am going to be reviewing this Jackfruit. It's called the Jackfruit Company brand, Teriyaki Jackfruit, an Asian-inspired blend of soy, sesame, and ginger. I cooked it up, stovetop. Stovetop. Can you even see that? How about that? I cooked it up, stovetop. I added, because on the cover they have red bell pepper and broccoli in it. Doesn't come in the package itself. It just comes with the jackfruit and the sauce. So I sauteed it in a pan with broccoli and red bell peppers, and I even dressed it with a little bit of sesame seeds, and now it's on some rice. And I'm going to taste it now. Let us see. Okay. I'm gonna get a meteor, so to speak. Okay. Broccoli, makes me want to eat the broccoli. It's really sweet. How much sugar is in this thing? Let us find out. Let's see, where are the sugars? Sugar's 9 grams. I don't know, that's a lot. I'm not good with sugar. I'll tell you, I watched a movie called That Sugar Film, and if you haven't seen it, you should see it. That Sugar Film was a documentary, I think an Australian or New Zealand guy went on a diet eating the average amount of grams of sugar that the average person in his country, I think, got, which was a boatload. It was like 45, was it 20 tablespoons or 40? At any rate, it's an amazing documentary when you see how much sugar is in things. He would do little visual gags like eat a piece of chicken. So I could eat this chicken like this, or I could add a teriyaki sauce that came with it, which had X amount of grams of sugar. Instead of using a teriyaki sauce, he just put straight white granulated sugar on in the quantity required that would match what the teriyaki sauce had. It's pretty shocking. There's a boatload of sugar in everything, especially things you think are healthy, like breakfast yogurts, sweetened yogurts, and cereals, and sauces. So that said, it's an unsolicited pitch for that movie. I presume most people are probably mouthful. It's good. It's a little sweet and not spicy at all. That's just not my jam. This says it has 2.5 servings at 100 calories each. So it's 250 calories for the whole thing without rice. And it's not bad. I don't know how widely available this stuff is. Again, it's the Jackfruit Company. They do I think it's a chorizo one. They do another one there was at least 2 on the shelf when I bought this one. I guess I just kind of fell for that package. That picture was prettier to me. Maybe because it had vegetables in it. I don't know. At any rate, sweet. Very sweet. But it is what it says it is. It's teriyaki jackfruit. Yeah, I like it. I would add sriracha or some other hot sauce to this, but it is solid, and 250 calories for all this is not a bad thing. So that sugar, maybe the sugar isn't as bad as I feel like it is. Just not a sugary person. I get most of my sugar from this. So yeah, would I give this, if it was spicier, I would give it an 8. I'm giving it a 7 because it's not spicy, but it doesn't claim to be spicy. It's not saying this is spicy teriyaki. It just says teriyaki jackfruit. And it does taste like soy and sesame and ginger. Not soy, but sesame and ginger. So yeah, so there you have it. There you have it. That's my review of the Jackfruit Company's Teriyaki Jackfruit. I don't know where you can find it. If I find a store locator link, I will put it in the notes below. And that is it. Yes, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like these videos. I seldom do reviews, but I've been doing them a lot lately because I just have so much food in the house. I can't keep making food and not eating it. Yeah. I'm a stuttering fool today too. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, bye.